In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Substack. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your posts, help readers discover related content, and keep your archive clean and searchable. Let's walk through the exact flow you'll use every time, along with a few best practices to make your tags work harder for you. Start on your Substack dashboard and head to the Posts area. This is where you'll see your drafts and anything you've already published. Find the post you want to tag, then open its options menu by clicking the three dots next to the title. From that menu, choose Edit to open the post in the editor. Once you're in the editor, look toward the bottom right of the screen for the Settings button. Go ahead and click Settings to open the panel where you can adjust details for the post, including tags. In the Tags field, start typing the keyword or phrase you want to use. As you type, Substack may show suggestions if you've used similar tags before. If you see the one you want, click it to add it. If not, keep typing the exact wording you prefer. To create a brand new tag, select the Create option that appears beneath your typed text. This instantly adds the new tag to the post and makes it available for future posts, which helps you stay consistent across your publication. Keep your tags short, specific, and consistent in style. Singular forms usually were better than plurals, and sticking to a standard format, like lowercase words separated by spaces, helps avoid duplicates, such as marketing, and marketing tips, all meaning the same thing. You can add more than one tag if it genuinely helps readers and your own organization, but aim for relevance over quantity. After you've added the tags you want, click Done to close the settings panel. Your changes are now applied to the post. Substack will reflect those tags on the post page and use them to group content in your archive, making it easier for readers to explore related topics. If you're editing a published post, the tags update right away. If you're working on a draft, they'll be there waiting when you publish. That's the complete flow. Open post, use the three-dot menu to edit, click Settings in the bottom right, type your tag, choose Create if it's new, and finish by clicking Done. With a consistent approach, tags become a reliable map for your readers and a powerful tool for your editorial planning.